the various problems relating to this topic. First one, find equation to the cone whose generators passes through the point alpha, beta, gamma, and the directional questions are given as al square plus bm square plus cn square is equal to 0. This is the question. Here, given that the point alpha, beta, gamma, and the directional questions are given in the relation al square plus bm square plus cn square is equal to 0. First we will calculate the line of symmetry. As discussed in the earlier topics, equation to line passing through the point and having the dices x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. These ratios are equal to some constant that is equal to k. So we get L is equal to x minus alpha by k, m is equal to y minus beta by k, n is equal to z minus gamma by k. These L, m, n values are substituted in the relation al square plus bm square plus cn square is equal to 0. We get a into x minus alpha whole square plus b into y minus beta whole square plus c into z minus gamma whole square is equal to 0. This is the required equation to the desired cone. Okay. Second one, show that the generator x is equal to minus y is equal to minus z of the cone 5yz plus 8zx minus 3xy is equal to 0. First we must know what is generator. Generator is nothing but the slant height of the cone. So automatically it is on the cone. So I am taking as the given generator can be rewritten as, it is nothing but a line x by 1 y by minus 1 is equal to z by minus 1. Automatically you can observe that x, y, z values are nothing but 1, minus 1, minus 1. These values are substituted in the cone. If you get 0, automatically the given line or nothing but generator lie on the cone. So substituting the values, 5 into minus 1 plus 8 into minus 1 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So you will get 5 minus 8 plus 3. 8 minus 8 gives 0. So automatically we concluded that the given generator lie on the cone 5yz plus 8zx minus 3xy is equal to 0. These are simple problems about this topic. Discuss the third problem as find equation to the cone whose vertex is origin, and the directional questions are given in the relation 3l square minus 4m square plus 5n square is equal to 0. It's clear that the solution of the problem, it is quite similar to the first problem. Here given the point alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 0, 0, 0 as origin is the point of the cone. Now the dices directional questions of the cone are given in the relation al square plus bm square plus cn square is equal to 0. Here 3l square minus 4m square plus 5n square is equal to 0. Now we construct a line x minus alpha by m L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. So substituting the values, x minus 0 by L is equal to y minus 0 by m is equal to z minus 0 by n is equal to some k. Each ratio is equal to some constant. So you have x by L is equal to y minus m, or y by m is equal to z by n. This is the line equation. So eliminating these values, you will get, that means eliminating L, m, n, you will get finally a into x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square is equal to 0. Actually, here 3 into x minus 0 whole square minus 4 into y minus 0 whole square plus 5 into z minus 0 whole square. At last, 3x square minus 4y square plus 5z square is equal to 0. This is the equation to the cone.